One of the things about the print module is that it's always kind of in a liquid state. The changes you make here are not sticky as they would be inside the Develop module. In the Develop module, you can make as many changes as you like, and unless you change them back or reset the photo, those changes are not going to disappear. But in the Print module, if I move out of this workspace or I change a collection, then I've lost everything that I've done. For example, if I were to select a different template, what I was working on just disappears. I'm going to go ahead and undo that. Or if I were to go into a different collection. Now the Print module thinks I'm starting over with this collection. I could go back into the collection where those other photos were, but what I was working on has now kind of disappeared. And even undoing it sometimes doesn't really bring me back to where I was. So let me go ahead and recreate this. So if you've created something like this and you want to make sure that you save it so you can access it later or work on it later or just print it again, then you want to create a saved print inside of Lightroom. You can do that in one of two ways. You can click on this Create Saved Print button on the top right, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Command or Control S. Now I'll just give it a name, and I can choose which collection I'd like to save it inside of. I'll go ahead and save it in the collection where these photos were in the first place. And for this image, because this is only of my nephew Hunter, I'm going to make sure that I include only the used photos for this. That way, if I need to access this specific photo again and reprint it, it will keep all of the pieces together. I'll go ahead and click Create. Now over in the collections, you can see my newly saved print. If I were to go outside of this and maybe click on a different collection or even a different template, if I go back to that saved print, it's like nothing has changed.